What are you doing today?
I'm making some blanket pits for my engine bay. So I don't run outsiders anymore, and Dirt keeps getting the engine bay, so we've got one here, and we're going to put one here. So that's nice.
And as we have noticed, what's that? Blue?
Blue bonnet, blue wings right there, blue big gay wing at the back. But it'll look good in the end.
Yeah.
It'll look good.
So I'm gonna go up now and wash the Corolla because we're what are we doing today?
We're going to fit some Underglow.
Yeah, we're gonna neon it. Yeah, so we're back after that, I guess.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Ooh, what a fit!
What a fit. Pop. Get out.
Oh.
Pop. Zip.
All finished now.
So 3 on each side, one here, that goes right up into that corner because there's a wee gap in there. One here, and then we put grommets in all of the holes where dirt can get through. And basically just like the legs of this and the strut tire and this, like crap is coming through. And it's really annoying when you clean your engine bay and it gets really dirty again like 10 seconds later. Fucking beast.
Doesn't sound bad, does it?
Wee rally car.
Yeah.
So to put this into context, for Christmas I got me and Morgan both Underglow because, you know, why wouldn't you want that?
It's gonna make us proper racer, isn't it?
Nah man, nah. We're bringing it back, it's gonna be cool again.
Yeah, so it's not a bad wee kit to be honest. It's got all the bits and bobs you need to make your car 2005. So we're just gonna put it on basically and then show you a bit of putting it on and just what happens after. I really don't trust this tape. So have you got any solutions?
I think we're probably going to try and find a spot to cable tie. Oddly enough, the two side ones have really short cables, the front and back have really long cables. So we might cut and resolder these.
You
but
said that's the wrong way around.
So it turns out the bits intended for the back and front have really short cables and 2 bits intended for the side have really long cables. So we might cut and solder this. Also, quite annoyingly, these don't unplug from this little box, so this has to be fed through a grommet somewhere, but you know, that's what you get for like 15 quid.
And I think we found the one, like, the one.
The one what?
The grommet to put it through.
Oh yeah, we found a good grommet. It's this graceful as fuck right here. We had a hunt underneath the car and we think, oh you can't see that well. Oh well, there's no point in you showing this. Right in the passenger footwell there is a really nice big grommet. We should be able to get everything through. So Morgan is going to go under now and get all the sides stuck, and then we're going to worry about routing the cables.
Yeah, man.
You having fun under there?
No, it's such a mess.
So while he's doing that, I am out here wet sanding the GS. So honestly, every panel on this car hasn't matched for about a year now. I still won't because I need the two sides below that silver line there painted grey for the two-tone effect. Yeah, we're getting there. Casual Sunday in the Artiril garage. Well, they didn't stick that well on the sides, and we don't really, well, we can't use a cable tie because we'd have to drill 2 holes, and then we can't get our hands inside the sill to loop it back around. So what we've come up with is we're going to use these little plastic boys. We're going to use pop rivets to pop rivet them up, and they'll basically hold up the light bar.
Okay, so we've came to the conclusion that it doesn't stick to anything. So we're just cable tying the front, as you can see down here. We've got it, we've just literally drilled through the bumper and 5 different points on the bottom. That would just keep, oh, that's a good view there. Cable tied it on. So next we just need to drill out the holes in the sill and pop rivet the sides on. You enjoying that, Kai?
Yeah, my car's right there, but I'm still working on a Corolla. Bop.
Not a bad wee idea, kid.
Yeah, boy.
So what's next? We need to cut the wire for the front one because it's too short.
You know the way you might not use a back? I
Yeah.
think we'll cut both of them, and then but we'll cut the back like near the end of its cable. So whenever we go to solve them together, we have a longer cable.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, sounds good.
This is not exciting content.
Yeah, let's just wrap it at that. So how are we gonna fix the wire installation? Or are we just gonna bring it?
So we've cut the wire now into 2 bits, and it's easily long enough once we get it back together. I think I'm gonna run it. I'm just putting this through. I'm going to run it along the top of this under tray. We can drill a few holes and cable
We
tie.
can't really see much under here, but
Yeah, you're just gonna have to take our word. It's all here.
it's all here.
Yeah, the car is here. I don't know. We're running the top under tray, and then we'll see how we're gonna get it over the front cross member.
Yeah.
We're definitely gonna go over.
And I'm gonna shoot them the grommet because we got a recording earlier, but it wasn't the greatest. So basically underneath the, just left a wee tiny bit of the carpet here. Oh, you can't even see it with the light. But there's a grommet. Oh, we see light. Just underneath there. We're gonna put the box up there, put it underneath the mat, and find a cool wee place to mount it.
So what we've done now is we've routed the cable like from this end forward and from this end back. We kind of met in the middle and pulled out as much length as we could, and now we just have to join these together and then take the slack back on one side. I don't know if it's been portrayed well in this video, but it's absolutely freezing out here. So we reconnected that wire down there, and then we pulled it back through. We put the control box through the grommet, and now we're just lowering the car back down. And then we'll see what they look like, because it is dark outside. Well, kinda. No, you're good. So this is the big moment. Are we about? Nah, it's not on. Not dude. This was working like 10 seconds ago. Oh, it's on, it's on, it's on. Eee. You fucking dick. Here, pull it back a bit because this camera zooms in really far. You are so hardcore, Morgan.
Yeah, man. I honestly don't know what to think like.
Morgan's car decides to idle at a different RPM every day. It's just a wee quirk it has. Right? Like we've set the idle and it just goes back to that eventually. But check this out. We are actually rolling about with neons. We got like a curry chip and cheese rolling in the roller. And we got the neons. Could life be any better right now?